Welcome back, everybody. This is AMP86. Thank you for tuning in, and if you ain't subscribed, check it out. I just got this new 86 for the channel. It's gonna be a new build. '86 Altezza still going strong. The GT is still around. It's just on the back burner for right now because I gotta open up that motor and see how she's doing and decide where I'm gonna go from there. But otherwise, this one has got a lot of potential, and I have a lot of parts laying around from taking off my other 86 and turned it into an Altezza. So got some extra stuff laying around, and I hope you guys are excited to see what's coming up, because this one, I'm gonna try to do it like a nice show car, Japanese style. Just make it clean. Wife can ride around with it. We go to the car shows, 86'd up. Got some lowering springs. I got my front suspension, new brakes, new rotors, did a surface rust, my harp there, and a bunch of other goodies, intercooler, some turbo stuff. Alright, here's some of the reason my 86 isn't an 86 anymore, because all the steering and suspension was swapped out for Toyota Altezza parts that I ordered from Japan. But this has an LSD and this does not. So I will be putting that LSD, not because this one's gonna be a race car or anything. This is gonna be the wife's car and it's gonna be a show car. But this one has disc brakes and it's so much better. And this one has just got lowering suspension, or lowering springs, and new brakes and rotors, a little surface rust, but nice. Leave a comment where you think these metal shavings came from, and I'll let you know on the next video. Otherwise, subscribe, let some friends know about the JDM goodness we got on this channel, and I'll see you next time.